Sure, pizza delivery is cheap and convenient, but there's one thing I'm getting real sick of.
I got a pizza here. Extra sausage.
Thank you.
Try making your own pizza at home with the Castmaster Elite Pizza Oven. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Specs and features. Out of the box, you've got the main stainless steel oven with pizza baking stone, chimney, oven door, wood pellet firebox, pellet scooper, and circular pizza spatula. Instead of charcoal or logs of wood, this pizza oven runs on these hardwood pellets that kind of look like the feed you give to rabbits. Pour a scoop into the firebox, set up your Tinder, not the dating app, and in no time, you've got a small hot burning heat source. The handy temperature gauge gives you an idea of truly how hot this little oven can get. Within 5 minutes, we were getting temperatures approaching 800 degrees. With the pizza baking stone left inside during heat up, it'll be ready to cook your pie to perfection in no time. All that's left now is to wait. In just a few minutes, you've got that golden brown flaky crust with melted cheese over cooked toppings. Oh, it's so good you won't even care there's pineapple on your pizza. But it's just not pizza that we can use it for. This thing is multi-purpose. Remove the baking stone and you can cook anything that'll fit on the grill. Steaks, fish, vegetables, you name it. So what do we like about the Castmaster Elite Pizza Oven? This thing feels like a souped-up, easy-bake oven from when we were kids. It's so tiny and portable, weighing only 32 pounds fully assembled. And while it took some trial and error to get the perfect temperature for pizzas, the end result was definitely worth it. So what's the downside? The oven tends to burn through the pellets pretty fast. And when you're refilling the firebox halfway through cooking your pizza, you can lose a lot of heat if you're not careful. For this reason, it can be difficult to maintain a steady temperature for more than 5 minutes at a time. There were no shortages of failed pizzas. So what do you need to know before you go online and buy one? Not all pellets are made equal. Hickory pellets have been known to burn slower, but at a much higher temperature, up to 100 degrees in some cases. They also have different subtle flavors that foods absorb when being cooked. So what's the verdict? With some practice and good quality pellets, this little portable pizza oven is great for camping, cookouts, and outdoor barbecues for a whole menu of different delicacies. We give it a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. And the Castmaster Elite Pizza Oven could be yours. We'll be giving ours away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win the Castmaster Elite Pizza Oven, the rules are very simple. Just make sure you subscribe to Review to You, like this video, and then leave a comment in this video with the secret hashtag we showed you in today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select a subscriber at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.